Today I'm going to talk about a root vegetable that I just harvested that is starchy but has a lot of health benefits, better than potatoes. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. And the root vegetable I'm talking about is a yucca. This is a yucca. And it's also called cassava in some places. This root vegetable is gluten-free, it is fat-free, and it has a lot more healthier benefits than other starches, and that's what I'm going to go over today. So the yucca compared to the potato. The yucca you can use in place of the potato. You can use it for more puree, like a mashed potato. You can boil it. You can bake it. You can put it in stews and soups. And it actually has a lot more healthier benefits than a potato. It has higher vitamin C. It has, so the higher vitamin C helps you with your immune system. It has lots of potassium and lots of fiber. So that digestive system works a lot better because of the higher fiber content. It also has a really low glycemic index to be a starch. And it because of that, it's really good for people that might have diabetes or pre-diabetic. So your blood sugar doesn't elevate so quickly. And you can, like I said, you can bake it, you can roast it, you can turn it to puree. But when you're working with starchy vegetables, I like ones that give you more health benefits, like the yucca. Outside it's brown like this, and then inside, I'm going to cut one here. And inside it's going to be like a white fleshy. So I just harvested these today, and I will use them in place of potatoes. I also plant potatoes as well, but again, I really want food, since I live off the land, that actually gives me the most benefit for my health as well. There's no scientific evidence, but it has been known for the yucca to help with a lot of different health problems, such as osteoarthritis, any type of joint pain. I've already mentioned diabetes because of the low glycemic index. It has help with migraine, headaches, and it can possibly lower your blood pressure. So those are some of the benefits of yucca, also known as cassava. And when you can replace it replace the potato with a yucca, you'll have something that tastes very similar, but has a lot of health benefits as well. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so, or leave a comment below. If you also grow yucca, or have a great recipe or idea of using it at your place. Thanks for watching.